Hey everybody, this is a little tour of the new space, the new workspace, Lal HQ. So I've been here for a little over a couple of months now getting the workspace set up. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in coastal BC, and it's a pretty beautiful place. So it's well, this little place is a little bit industrial, but you know, riding distance away up that way, got awesome mountain biking. A couple minutes down the road over there, you got the ocean, and this is the shop. So starting on the right over here, you got a little entrance with some trail building tools. Started getting all kinds of machine tools in, so grinding, sanding, horizontal bandsaw, drill press, a manual lathe. This is a nice old machine, nice and solid. And then nice tool chest. We got a Bridgeport knee mill over here. And just to be clear, so these two machines, the knee mill and the lathe, these are for making prototype parts and the jigs and fixtures for the manufacturing that we're doing here. They're not for machining the bike parts for production. Those parts are CNC machined, and we outsource that to machine shops in BC. So over here, got a little kind of mini bike shop. So there's prototype 3 on the bike stand. Drivetrain is removed from it, but starting to get tools on the wall. Well, as many tools as we can, given the supply chain. Got the commuter e-bike here. This is the backyard. It's a huge bay door, so it's awesome for having lots of natural light, nice breeze. At least at this time of the year. This is a little 3D printer and CNC machining room. So we got a desktop CNC machine here. It's good for prototyping. A couple of 3D printers. About 40% of the area of the shop is a second floor. So up here we have the first area, which is going to be kind of office space and maybe some test rigs and stuff. And we got this area. This is going to be a sort of assembly area. So the individual little parts will show up at one end and they'll trickle along and get assembled into the derailleur and chain tensioner. And over here I whipped up a map so I could quickly show you folks where we are, for those that don't know. So here you have Vancouver, Squamish, Whistler, and we're here on the Sunshine Coast, a little 40-minute ferry ride away from Vancouver. So there you have it, that's the shop. I'll have some exciting updates for you folks at Eurobike soon. But yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.